my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to do single crochet stitch. For that you'll be needing yarn, a crochet hook and scissors. I'm using 5mm crochet hook here. And I would recommend you also to use a 5mm crochet hook. So let's begin by making a slip knot. So we'll wrap the yarn twice on our index finger, hold the yarn with the middle finger and thumb, pull the behind loop forward and now the behind one down. Pull the yarn, tighten it and the loop is ready. We'll put the needle in the loop, we'll pull the yarn and our slip knot is ready. Now we have to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here our chains are ready. If you do not know how to make the chains, you can visit my channel and see the tutorial that I have made on how to make the loop and chains. So see that video, it will be really helpful for you. Now we'll start by making single crochet stitches on these chains. Now we'll start making our single crochet stitches. If you turn your work like this, you'll be able to see these V's, small V's. See, you'll be able to see these V's. When we turn our work this way, these V's will be facing the right side. Now the top line is known as the back loop and the down one is known as the front loop. Now in this case we are working in the back loop of the stitch. And remember one thing, whenever we are starting a stitch, we have to leave one chain and always start from the second chain from the hook when we are doing single crochet. So we leave the first V over here, which is the first chain, and we'll start from the second chain from the hook, which is this one. So we'll work in the back loop of the chain. We'll take our needle, we'll put it here inside the back loop and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on our needle. We'll yarn over and pull through both the loops, and here our single crochet stitch is done. Now we'll look for our second chain, which is here, the next chain. We'll go in the back loop of the chain and pull up a loop. Now again we have 2 loops on our needle. We'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. So here our 2 single crochet stitches are done. Again we'll go into the back loop of the next stitch, pull up a loop. Again we have 2 loops on our needle. We'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. Then we'll go into the back loop of the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. See the single crochet stitches you can see here. And if you see the top side of your work, you'll be able to see the same V's that you were seeing in your chain. Here on the top side of your work. We'll repeat this process. We'll go into the back loop of the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 stitches on our needle. We'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again go into the back loop of the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through both the loops. We have to repeat the same process till the end of this chain. Go into the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now this is our next chain, so we'll go in the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Go into the back stitch, back loop, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your needle, yarn over and pull through both of them. Go into the back loop and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops, and the last chain is left over here. As you can see, last V. We'll go into the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Here, single crochet stitch, and this is the back side of your work. Now we have to turn and start working on the V's that you can see here. The top, you can see on the top of your work, you will be able to see these V's. Now the second round that we are going to do will be in these V's. So for that we have to chain 1 and then turn, because it's very necessary for you to chain 1, because that is the turning chain or the returning chain, which is called. So chain 1 and turn your work. Now, as always, you're not going to work in this chain. You're going to work on the second chain from the needle. If you turn your work like this, you'll be able to see these V's. Leave the first V and work in the second one. Go into the back loop of the stitch and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your needle, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now again we'll go into the back loop of the next stitch and we'll pull up a loop, we'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. We'll go into the back loop of the next stitch, we'll yarn over, pull up a loop and yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again we'll go into the back loop of the stitch, yarn over and we'll pull up a loop, we'll yarn over again and pull through both the loops. We'll repeat this process till we reach the end. We'll go through the back loop and we'll pull up a loop, we'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. We'll go into the back loop of the stitch, next stitch, we'll pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Go into the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again go into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Go into the back loop of the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. 2 more stitches are left. As you can see, 2 V's are there here. We'll go into the back loop of the next stitch, we'll pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now the last stitch is left. We'll go into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So here, this is your single crochet stitch. You can make many things with this stitch. You can make coasters, you can make little hairbands for little girls. If you make it a little big at the height of I think 4 to 5 centimeters, you can make a nice coaster out of this. You can add a little flower or a little butterfly, which will give a very nice look for this. I hope you found my video helpful, and if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials on crochet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, as you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and give it a thumbs up if this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and keep crocheting. Bye bye.